5 simple ingredients and about 30 minutes are all you need for these candied pecans. Start by melting your butter. Then cut a sheet of parchment paper to fit your baking sheet. Combine all of your ingredients and stir well. Then bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, spread the pecans out on the parchment and remove the baking sheet, allowing the pecans to completely cool. Once the pecans have cooled, store them in an airtight tin. Add these to a holiday nut mix or charcuterie board. Use them in holiday recipes, or try my autumn salad. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to receive more great gluten-free recipes each week.